Hello and welcome back to this channel Road Job. Hope you are doing well. So again, welcome to this video with a new job openings from Saudi Arabia. It's a Gulf country. I hope you all know that. So today we'll know what is the job openings from Saudi Arabia and how to apply and how to get job in Saudi Arabia in the online process. So this is a free recruitment for aviation facilities in Saudi Arabia. Free recruitment aviation facilities. So the positions is overhead cranes technician, welder, maintenance engineer, painter, fire protection, plumber, mechanical JFS, carpenter, instrument, AFS technician, fire alarm technician, JFS maintenance engineer, electronics JFS technician, sliding doors, with weather station instrument maintenance, and JET fuel system maintenance and airfield lighting, water treatment system technicians. There are several job openings related to technical jobs from Saudi Arabia. If you are eligible for any of this job and you want to move to country with a job, then you can apply as soon as possible by this given official email ID. So the thing is, this is the recent job openings, urgent vacancies from Saudi Arabia, and all candidates should speak English and should have 3 to 5 years of experience in the relevant field. That means in the aviation industry. So guys, if you have the experience in the aviation industry and if you are really eligible for any of these positions, then you can apply for this official email ID. And this is the official details, official address, official contact number, official email ID, all the things available here. You can apply as soon as possible by this official email ID. Otherwise you can visit to the office to apply for any of this position in Saudi Arabia. So let's move to next job is a branch manager required in Saudi Arabia, hiring for a branch manager for a diversified group to be based out of Saudi Arabia. The incumbent must have exposure 3 to 5 years into administration sales dealing with local government bodies. Must be from FMCG food pharma background. Interested candidates meeting the above criteria, please share your CV to the given official email ID. So if you are interested to apply for any of this job like construction and technician, you can apply with this official email ID, or also you can apply it for branch manager through this official email ID. So the next job is free recruitment for Saudi Arabia. As you can see here, this is the positions: site executive, execution engineer, estimation engineer, quality controller, refractory supervisor, foreman, refractory foreman, drive technician, mechanic, automobile welder, fitter, planner, site engineer, safety officer, and permit receiver, bricklayer, carpenter, musicalman, welder, electrician, pipe fabricator. So also you can apply for any of these positions by this official email ID. So as you can see here, this information you can get in the description of this video. Please read it carefully. For which job you want to apply, there have different email ID provided by the company. You have to apply by this particular given official email ID. If you are interested to apply any of this job in Saudi Arabia, then you can apply by this official email ID. So after you apply, of course you can get a chance to attend the interview. After you getting success from the interview, the visa and medical process will be started by the company. I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any question, you can drop your question in the comment box. I will try to give you an answer. So guys, once again, lots of thanks for watching this video to the end. Of course, in the next video, I will come with the latest job openings from other countries. After that, stay with this channel, share and like these videos, and utilize these informations to get a abroad job. And I hope you will get a chance to move abroad with a job. Best of luck.